Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these easy 1-hour woolly sock slippers. So let's get started. To make these easy slippers, you can work with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn or 1 strand of a bulky yarn. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch to form a ring. Chain 1. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Make 10 single crochet in the ring. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So that's 1. I'm going to go ahead and make 9 more for a total of 10 single crochet in the ring. Okay, I made 10 single crochet in the ring. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. And now I can pull that yarn end and close up the end of the slipper. Chain 1 and turn. Make 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've made 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. I now have 20 stitches, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first single crochet. And for this design, I'm going to do 1 row in red. So I'm just going to pull my yarn through that last stitch. Just tighten those up. Chain 1. Single crochet in each stitch all the way around. 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Again, I have 20 stitches. And I'm going to slip stitch to join in the first single crochet and fasten off. And I'm going to pull my cream color back up into the next stitch, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I've worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. And it's going to fit like that. And I'm going to fasten off this color. Now I'm going to pull in my gray color in any stitch, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in that first stitch. Now I'm going to repeat that row over and over until the slipper reaches approximately here. And that's approximately 5 rows. So I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to single crochet in that same stitch. And single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And for adult medium, I'm going to repeat that for 5 rows. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, I worked all the way around from started here and I work to here, and I have 5 stitches that I'm not working into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches not worked into. So now I'm going to chain 1 and turn. That chain 1 will take the place of the first stitch, so I'm going to start in the second stitch, and I'm going to single crochet all the way across the row until I get to this stitch. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row, and I'm stopping here like that. So this, I'm now working the sides. So I'm going to continue to work that same row over and over until I reach the heel. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked as many rows as I need, and this is how that's going to fit, like that. And now I'm going to bring those 2 back ends together, and I'm going to slip stitch to join the heel. So there's the heel, fold it over, and I'm going to pull that yarn through, and then I'm going to slip, and then I'm just going to go through one side of the stitch like that, and I'm going to slip stitch all the way down the back to join the back of the slipper like that, and fasten off. And now I'm going to make 1 row all the way around in cream, 1 in red, and another one in cream. I'm going to pull my yarn through at the heel end, and I'm just going to lock that in, and that'll take the place of my first single crochet. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to single crochet all the way around the opening of the slipper, all the way around the opening. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join, and I'm just going to pull my red yarn in through that last stitch and pull the yarn to tighten that up, and I'll lock it in with both the yarn end and the working yarn, and that's going to take the place of the first single crochet. And I'm going to go ahead and work around, but in this row I'm going to decrease by 4 stitches somewhere along the way, so maybe here and here and here and there. So I'm just going to go ahead and single crochet all the way around, but I'm going to reduce by 1 stitch 4 times. So I'll reduce here, so I'll just go right to the next stitch and single crochet, and I'm going to continue to do that all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll reduce 1 stitch here, so I'll go right over to the next stitch like that. So I'm going to work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last stitch. I'm going to skip that stitch. I'm going to go right over, and I'm going to slip stitch to join and fasten off. To attach my cream color again, pull that through, lock it in. That takes the place of the first single crochet, and single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I'm going to slip stitch to join and fasten off like that. And I've got all my yarn ends there. I'm going to weave those back and forth into the finished work. And there's the finished slipper. Here you go, 1 hour woolly sock slippers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.